How to fix ThinkPhone 25 Smart View not working. So let's start the video. First of all, open any browser and check your internet connection works properly or not. After checking your internet connection, then restart your device. For restart your device, press and hold volume up button and power button at the same time. And then click on restart. After restart your device, then open settings and scroll down and click on system updates. Now here you can check your system update. If doesn't update to latest version, then update it to latest version. After that, your problem will be fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.